We first told you about the state investigation into Sergeant Johnny Miller last month. Now the Gaffney Police Chief confirms Miller has been fired. 7 News' Melanie Palmer tells us an Upstate lawyer wants answers.
One less officer here at the Gaffney Police Department. Just days ago, Sergeant Johnny Miller was fired following what the chief calls an internal investigation during a state investigation. A dented front door. But not just any door.
We almost had a George Floyd sort of situation.
It's a place where attorney Fletcher Smith's client lives. He's representing a Gaffney woman who claims it was forced open by officers with the Gaffney Police Department.
The officer put his knee on her neck and she couldn't breathe.
Leaders with South Carolina's Law Enforcement Division are investigating an officer with that very department, Sergeant Johnny Miller. Although Gaffney Police Chief Chris Skinner cannot confirm what led to this investigation, Smith says he and his client have been in contact with state investigators.
She also gave a statement, a detailed statement to the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division.
A police report says his client's case all started with an alleged police chase, claiming she didn't pull over for officers. But he tells 7 News there's more to it, saying officers told his client she was trespassing at a nearby apartment complex, so she tried to drive away. However, he says that's when police attempted to pull her over.
She lived about a block away. When she got home, she had small children in her house. And so she went in to check on her children, and she told them that she would be back outside. Instead of them waiting on her to do it, they kicked her door in.
The police report says officers forced their way into the woman's home after some arguing and eventually placed her under arrest. Gaffney Police Chief Skinner has not confirmed with 7 News this situation is connected to the SLED investigation of Sergeant Miller.
Dismiss these criminal charges.
Smith and his client want the charges against her dropped, but are also looking for more.
It'll probably result in a lawsuit against the person who perpetrated the assault against her, and as an agent of the police department, that's how they would come in.
It's also worth noting that Sergeant Miller was suspended without pay following an arrest on domestic violence and weapons charges back in 2014. Chief Skinner welcomed him back to the force when those charges were dismissed. In Gaffney, Melanie Palmer, 7 News.
The charges the woman involved face include breaching peace, breaking arrest, and failure to stop for blue lights. State agents tell us they can't give any details about their investigation while it's ongoing, and Chief Skinner said the same thing.